Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update, of course. Yesterday we had some volatility, but in general, I mean, the circumstances right now for Bitcoin are still the same as we talked about yesterday. It's just a very choppy market. It's up and down in this range right here between, ultimately I would say 44,000. And maybe even 44,500 at the top. And then at the bottom right now, 41,700 is the main functioning support. But below that, we also still have 41 all the way down to 40,200 as a support. So that's the big range in which we're playing. And right now, in the short term, we're just consolidating in a tighter range. Right here between 43,600 and 42,000 or 41,900, whatever. It's practically the same levels. So yeah, we're just consolidating in that level. We're waiting for some sort of a breakout, and you can see right here. I mean, this is the range, so you can also do some sort of a range here, and you'll see that most of the volume is actually up here, so above 42,500, which is also at this moment the most important support level. But not much is happening. All right. I mean, what's happening is that the Bitcoin dominance is still, even though it's not as bullish anymore as it was, the Bitcoin dominance is still, I would say, bullish. All right, we're still on top of the 50 EMA. So what's happening is that with every move up here for Bitcoin, at least in the last, at least since February, with every move up, altcoins rise a little bit less, and with every move down, altcoins fall a little bit more. And that's obviously a generalization. Not all altcoins do. Some of them are actually very bullish. Some of them are actually very bearish. But that's in general what's happening right now, and we're just waiting for some sort of a breakout. And what could cause that breakout is a lot of things. At this moment, the dollar strength index is relatively strong. If that puts in some sort of a higher high or some sort of a higher low and continues to go up, that could cause some bearish momentum because the dollar strength index and Bitcoin are getting more and more correlated again. So something like that is possible, but in general, it's just waiting, right? If I would have to listen to my feelings, because it's really based on feelings then, because if you look at both the open interest is just up and down. I mean, yesterday it was up during the day, and now it's down again, and it's basically at the same levels as last week. And if you look at where most of the liquidity is for Bitcoin, it's also up and down. All right, so there's absolutely no value in that. That just tells us that it can go up or down. So most of the liquidity is to the upside. So do I think some sort of a spike up is possible? Yes. It's even yesterday when we did the video, it's even what I expected. So some sort of a spike up seems most likely. But when we talk about a breakout, I would say a bearish breakout is more likely. So something like this. And that's ultimately what I'm prepared for. Something like this seems most likely to me at this moment. But there's absolutely no confirmation yet. All right. So that's kind of the problem I have with saying this. It's that I just told you, and I just showed you some numbers and some statistics that tell us that Bitcoin can go both ways. And I have a slight bias towards some sort of a spike up and then a bearish breakout, but there's no confirmation yet. All right, so that's purely based on feelings, some other non-price statistics I know, etc., etc. All right, so I'll keep you updated. If we get any major confirmation, if there's any major news event you need to know about, I'll let you know, but that's also not the case right now. So for now, this is what you need to know about Bitcoin. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description and the pinned comment. That's up to you. For now, have a great day. Have a great rest of your week, and bye.